video, we will discuss CBSE class 10th science question paper year 2021. Today we are discussing set number 4. Question code is 03114. In section A consists 24 questions. Attempt any 20 questions from this section. The first attempted 20 question would be evaluated. So first question is, a student while burning a magnesium ribbon in air collected the product in a weight watch glass. The new product obtained was. So magnesium is burning in air, that means O2, magnesium oxide. Then this magnesium oxide is collected in weight watch glass, that means H2O. The product is MgOH whole twice. So magnesium hydroxide. C is the right option. In the second question, consider the following chemical reaction: NaOH, twice NaOH plus H2SO4, Na2SO4 plus 2H2. The information conveyed by this equation are: NaOH react with H2SO4 to produce H2SO4 and water. Yes, NaOH is reacting with H2SO4 and the product is Na2SO4 plus H2. So first information is right. For every 1 molecule of H2SO4, 2 molecules of NaOH are required. Yes, 1 molecule of H2SO4, we require 2 molecules of NaOH. So this information is also right. Acid and bases are non-ionic in nature. This information is not linked with this equation, and even it is wrong also. This is not a redox reaction. Every reaction is redox reaction, so this is also wrong information. So first and second information is correct. So A is the right answer. In the third question, select the correct matching in the following table. Connection with the given chemical reaction. CuSO4 is reacting with iron and FeSO4 and copper is the products. We know copper sulfate is blue color, so the initial color of the solution is blue, and the final color of the solution is pale green. Even the iron, the final color of the iron nail is brownish. This is a displacement reaction because iron is displaced copper, so iron sulfate and copper. So all these information is given in the D option, so D option is the right option. In the fourth question, consider the following process: dilution of sulphuric acid, sublimation of dry ice, condensation of water vapor, and dissolution of ammonium chloride in water. The endothermic process is or RR. We know in sublimation the solid state direct changing into gas state. So for this we need a lot of energy, and even in the fourth process, ammonium chloride reacting with water need energy. So second and fourth are the right answer. So D is the correct solution. In the fifth question, a solution gives yellowish orange color when a few drops of universal indicator are added to it. This solution is off. So in this question we know the universal indicator indicate whether the given solution is acidic, basic or neutral, and the universal indicator is having different color lines, so 0, 1, 2 till 14. This is reddish, then orange, yellow color, then different shade of green color, then blue color. And in the question they have mentioned the orange, yellowish orange color. So somewhere here it should come here. And we also know that from 0 to 7 the number is, if any solution indicate the uh, color bar between 0 to 7, then it is acidic in nature. So we'll check whether which solution is the acidic in nature. So lemon juice is acidic in nature, yes. So, and sodium chloride, NaCl, is a salt. Sodium hydroxide is a basic in nature. Even milk of magnesia is weak base. So the only acidic solution is lemon juice. So A is the right answer. In the sixth question, concentrated H2SO4 is diluted by adding drop to drop. So how H2SO4 is diluted? So to dilute a concentrated H2SO4, we add the drop by drop acid to water with constant stirring. So B is the right answer. In the seventh question, absence of tartaric acid in baking powder make the taste of the cake bitter due to the presence of. So if in a baking powder, if we will not add the tartaric acid, then the cake tastes little bitter, because we know baking powder is NaHCO3. The chemical formula of baking powder is NaHCO3, and the tartaric acid is C4H6O6. This tartaric acid basically give H plus ion. So NaHCO3 plus H plus, then in this case Na2CO3 plus CO2 plus H2, sorry, CO2 and Na plus. The product of this reaction is this, and CO2, because it is a gas, so it make the cake fluffy. So if H plus ion, if tartaric acid will not be there, then H plus ion will also not be there, and in this presence of sodium carbonate make the bitter taste. So B answer is the right answer. In the 8th question, the pH of acid rain is approximately. They have given some numbers. The pH of acid rain is approximately, so it is approximately 5.6 because it is acid rain, weak acid. In the 9th question, salt A, commonly used in food product, is a reactant of produce salt B used in kitchen for making tasty crispy pakoras. Salt B on heating converted into another salt C, which is used in manufacturing of glass. So salt A, B, C respectively are. Salt A is also a food product. Salt B is using to make the crispy pakora. We know that to make the crispy pakoras we use NaCO3, soda. So the B will be NaCO3, and on heating NaHCO3 we get Na2CO3 plus H2O plus CO2. So sodium carbonate is the C salt, and salt A we know NaCl plus H2O plus CO2 In this reaction we get NaSCO3 plus HCl. So salt B is soda, eating soda. Salt C is Na2CO3, which is used in making the glasses, and NaCl is the salt A, which is also a food product, salt. So ABC are NaCl, NaHCO3 and Na2CO3. So D is the right answer. In the 10th question, in the following diagram, what would happen if some amount of sodium hydroxide is taken in place of sulphuric acid and the test tube is heated? So they are asking, in place of NaOH, in place of sulphuric acid, that is S2SO4, if we use sodium hydroxide, NaOH, then what would happen for the formation of hydrogen gas? Same amount of hydrogen gas is evolved? No, because it contains more hydrogen. The hydrogen gas is not evolved? No, it will evolve. The amount of H2 gas evolved is much less? Yes, this is the right answer. Less amount of hydrogen gas is evolved. In the 11th question, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16 are bio questions. I'm just writing the answers for them. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. The answers are B, A, 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 C and D. So directly we are going on question number 17. 17 is a physics question. If a lens and a spherical mirror both have the focal length minus 15 centimeter, then it may conclude that both are concave. The lens is concave and mirror is convex. The lens is convex and mirror is concave. Both are convex. We know concave mirror and the concave lens, in both the cases the focal length is negative. So the first answer is the right answer. Both are concave. In 18th question, an optical device forms an erect image of an object placed in front of it. If the size of the image is 1/2 that of the object, the optical device is. We know mirror formula. Mirror formula is 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. And lens formula is 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. And the magnification is equal to minus V by U is equal to H image by H object. Here magnification is equal to V by U is equal to HI by HO. So options are plane mirror. Actually plane mirror, the size and the distance of the object from the mirror is same. So C is definitely a wrong option. Then concave mirror, convex mirror and convex lens. We'll check. In the convex lens, we know if it is the then we know in the question they have mentioned that if the size of the image is 1/2 that of object, size of the image is 1/2 that of object. So the magnification is 1 by 2 negative, so it is not possible. So the remaining options are concave mirror or convex mirror, and we know that a small size object which is virtual and erect are formed due to the convex mirror. So our B answer is the right answer, because in the question they have mentioned that erect image, virtual and erect image. In the 19th question, a student determines the focal length of a device A by focusing the image of a far off object on a screen placed on the opposite side of the object. The device A is. So, sorry. So, from the far object, the rays are parallel to each other. So, and the image are forming at focal length, at focus. So, convex lens is again right answer. Convex lens. C is the right answer. When light is incident on a glass lamp, the incident ray, refracted ray, and emergent ray are in three media A, B, C. If N1, N2, N3 are the refractive indices of A, B, C respectively, and the emergent ray is parallel to the incident ray, which of the following is true? Okay, so this is the glass lamp. Let us consider. A ray is incidenting. This is normal. This is refracted ray. Again, this is a emergent ray. This emergent ray is parallel to the incident ray. So this is incident ray. This is refracted ray. And this is emergent ray. Here the medium is N1, here the medium is N2, here the medium is N3. So you can see N1 is equal to N3, and the emergent ray is are parallel to the incident ray, and this is a glass slab and this is air, so we know that the refractive index is greater in the second medium. So D is the right option. In the 21st question, the image of a candle flame formed by a lens is obtained on a screen placed on the other side of the lens. According to the new Cartesian sign convention, if the image is 3 times the size of the flame, then the lens is. So in the question they mention that it is a lens. So we'll use the lens formula, 1 by V minus 1 by U 1 by F. Magnification is equal to HI by HO and is equal to V by U. In this question they given the image of the candle, magnification is equal to 3, but they also mention that the image is formed other side, so V will be positive while U is negative. So magnification is equal to some positive number to some negative number. So it should be -3. And um, you also know 1 by um, magnification is equal to V by U. So V by U is equal to -3. So U is equal to minus V by 3. So we will use the lens formula. Then 1 by V minus plus 1 by U, that is V by 3, is equal to 1 by F. And F is coming positive. So convex lens is the right answer. Convex lens and magnification. Convex lens and magnification is equal to -3. Is the right answer. So C is the right answer. In the 22nd question, the power of a combination of two lenses in contact is 1 dioptry. If the focal length of one of the lens of the combination is plus 20 centimeter, the focal length of the other lens would be. We know the formula of combination of lenses is 1 by F is equal to 1 by F1 plus 1 by F2 minus D by F1 F2, where D is the distance between the two mirrors. So here D is equal to 0 because both the mirrors are forming a lens, so D is 0. So we remove this term. Then the focal length, then the combination of two mirrors focal length is 1 by F is equal to 1 by F1 plus 1 by F2. In the question they have given, they directly not give the focal length, they give the power of the combination of lens. We know power is equal to 100 divided by F, where focal length is in centimeter. So from here focal length is equal to 100 divided by P, which is equal to 100 divided by 1 centimeter. So the focal length of the combination of lenses is 100 centimeter. One of the lens having focal length is equal to 20 centimeter. So they are asking about the focal length of other lens, which is 1 by F2 is equal to 1 by F minus 1 by F1 is equal to 1 by 100 minus 1 by 20. LCM is 100. 1 minus 5 is equal to minus 5 by 100. So F2 is equal to minus 25 centimeter. So C is the right answer. In the 23rd question, when a ray of light passing through the glass prism, it suffered two refraction. During this refraction, the ray bends. So this is the prism, because they asking for the glass prism. When the light ray is incidenting, so refracted, then refracted. So you can see the light should go in this direction, but it is bending towards the base of the prism. Again it should go in this direction, again it is bending towards the base. So yes, in both the cases, both the time, the refracted ray is bending towards the base, so towards the base in both the cases. So B is the right answer. In the 24th question, to an astronaut, the sky on the moon appears dark because. So yeah, this is happening because there is no atmosphere on the surface of the moon, so it looks black. So B is the right answer. Now in section B, consists 24 questions. Again, attempt any 20 question from this section. The first attempted 20 question would be evaluated. In 25th question, when lead nitrate powder is heated in a boiling tube, we observe. So, lead nitrate heating, then plus NO2 plus oxygen. This lead oxide is basically yellow color. This is reddish brown, so we can say it is a reddish brown color. So brown fumes of nitrogen dioxide. Yes, this is the right answer. So A is the right answer. In 26th question, an aqueous solution of a salt shows an orange red color when a drop of universal indicator is added to it. This salt is made up of. So when the salt is prepared by the combination of acid and base, sometimes strong base, weak acid, or same strong, or so the salt is the combination of base and acid. But if the indicator shows the salt is of orange red color is in the acidic range, so the salt is prepared with strong acid plus weak base, then only the solution give the orange red color. In 27 question, 3 test tube A, B, C contain distilled water, an acidic solution, a basic solution respectively. When red litmus solution is used for testing these solution, the observed color changes respectively will be. So A is the distilled water, B is the acidic solution, and C is the basic solution, and the red litmus solution we are using. So distilled water make the red litmus solution little light red color, and but acidic solution the color will increase, so the color of the red litmus solution become dark red, and C becomes blue because red litmus changes to blue litmus if it is a basic solution. So D is the right answer. In the 28th question, NaCl gives below a reaction showing the chloroalkali process. NaCl and H2O reacting NaOH and Cl2 and H2 are formed. So they are asking the product ABC are produced respectively. We know chlorine is Cl minus. So the chlorine gas will formed at anode because chlorine is Cl minus, so it should go on anode, and C, that is hydrogen, which is H plus, so it should reach to cathode. So at anode, and B is at anode and C is at cathode. So B is at anode and C is at cathode. So the B option is the right option. In the 29th question, in the activity shown in the diagram, if the climate is humid, the role of calcium chloride taken in the guard tube is 2. So if climate is humid, then CaCl2, which is using in this guard tube, basically dry the gas. So C is the right answer. In the 30th question, Which one of the following chemical is used in solid soda acid fire extinguisher? We know sodium bicarbonate NaHCO3. When we heat, so Na2CO3 plus CO2 plus H2O. So this CO2 gas is used as the fire extinguisher. So sodium hydrogen carbonate chemical is used for the soda acid fire extinguisher. Now question number 31 to 34 consists two statement, assertion and reasoning. Answer these questions selecting the appropriate options given below. If both are right and the correct R is the correct explanation of A, then we choose option A. Then B, both A and R are true but they are not related or link each other, then we'll choose B. If A is true, assertion is true but R is false, then we'll choose C. If assertion is false and reason is true, then we'll choose D. In the 31 question, assertion, silver salt are used in black white photography. Yes, it is used. And the reasoning is silver salt do not decompose in the presence of light. Actually, it decomposes. So assertion is right, reasoning is wrong. Uh, so C is the right answer. In the 32 question, the solution of ionic compound are good conductor of electricity. Yes, they are, because ionic compounds are formed by ions like H plus and Cl minus. So they are good conductor of electricity. Ions are good conductors of electricity. Reasoning is movement of atom of elements takes place in solution. No, it is not right. So again C is the right answer because assertion is right, reasoning is wrong. In 33 question, the rate of breathing in aquatic organism is much slower than that of seen in terrestrial organism, and the amount of reasoning is the amount of oxygen dissolved in water is very low as compared to the amount of oxygen in air. In this question, both A and R are wrong. No, in this assertion is wrong and reasoning is true. So D is the right answer. In 34th question, kerosene having higher refractive index is optically denser than water, although its mass density is less than that of water. Yes, this is right. And the speed of light decides whether a medium is optically rarer or optically denser. Yes, an optical denser medium may not possess greater mass density. Yes, it doesn't mean that it is having a greater mass density. So both are right. So B is the answer. Now 31st question. Match the metal column with its reaction with oxygen. In column 1 they gave some metals, and in column 2 they mention what is happening with the reaction of oxygen. So in the presence of oxygen or potassium react with oxygen and burns vigorously. Yes, A is matching with 4th. Even sodium is doing the same. Zinc. Zinc does not burn at ordinary temperature, and copper gets coated with black colored layer of oxide, and silver does not react even at high temperature. So the A option is the right option. Now in 37th question, 4 test tube ABCD are taken. In test tube A, nail is dipped copper sulfate solution. So for test tube we are having this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. In A, iron nail is dipped into the copper sulfate solution, CuSO4. In the test tube B, copper is dipped in the ferrous sulfate solution, Fe2SO4. In test tube C, zinc metal is dipped in ferrous sulfate, Fe2SO4. And in test tube D, iron nail is dipped into the zinc sulfate solution. And the reactivity order has been found to be, in the question they have mentioned, zinc is more reactive than iron than copper. So copper is the least reactive. So copper can't displace any of these two metals. So this reaction doesn't happen. Again, iron can't displace zinc. Iron can't displace zinc. So D is also D in the D test tube, the reaction will not happen. So only A and C test tube, the color will change because chemical reactions are happening. So A is the right answer. Now again 37, 38, 39, 40 and 41 are bio question. I am writing the answer. 37, 38, 39, 40 and 41. Answers are D, D, B, C, C. In a 42 question, study the diagram given below. Identify the type of lens xx dash, the position of the point on the principal axis O dash when the image of the object AB appear to be formed. This is the object, the parallel and light is coming and it is diverging, and we have to identify which type of lens it is. So they mention that it is a lens, and the position of the image formed. So this is a diverging, and we know concave lens is the diverging lens. So concave lens is the diverging lens, and we also know that the image is formed when we go back side. So the image is formed between O and Y. So B answer is the right answer, concave and between O to Y. In the 43 question, the image of an object placed in front of a concave mirror of focal length 15 cm is of same size as the object. The distance between the object and the image is. Concave mirror, focal length is 15 cm. So it is negative. The image of an object placed in front of a concave mirror of focal length 15 cm. The same size of object, the object will be the same size. So if the object is placed at center of curvature, then the image will be formed at center of curvature. And in the question they are asking the distance between the object and the image, so it is 0 distance. So D is the right answer. In the 44 question, an object of height 3 cm is vertically placed on principal axis of a convex lens. When the object distance minus 37.5, an image is of height minus 2 cm is formed at a distance 25 cm from the lens. Next, the same object is placed vertically 25 cm from the lens. In this situation, the image formed V and height h of the image according to new Cartesian sign convention. So they are giving two situations. In first situation, convex lens This is the convex lens. They gave the height of the object is 3 centimeter. U is minus 37.5 centimeter. H of image is minus 2 centimeter. And V is equal to 25 centimeter. So this is a lens, convex lens. We can use the formula 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. So we can find the focal length of this lens. So 1 by F is equal to 1 by 25 plus 1 by 37.5. Better to write 75 by 2. So 75, 3 plus 2, 5 by 75. So focal length of this lens is 15 centimeter. Now in the second situation, they use the same lens, but the same object. Same object means the height of the object is same. And now in this situation, they want us to calculate the image of the distance and the height of the image. Okay, so HO is same. Focal length we have calculated. So we can write it here 1 by 15 centimeter. They place the object now at minus 25 centimeter. Okay, again the same lens formula we will use. So 1 by V is equal to 1 by F plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by 15 minus 1 by 25 so it is 2 by 75. So the V is equal to 37.5 centimeter. And now magnification, because we will use the magnification formula. And magnification, this is the distance of the image. Now magnification is equal to V by U is equal to HI by HO. So from here HI is equal to V by U into HO. V is at 37.5, U is minus 25, HO is 3 centimeter. So better to write again 75 by 2 minus 9 by 2 is equal to minus 4.5 centimeter. So minus 4.5 centimeter and plus 37.5 centimeter. So C is the right answer. In the 45th question, the relation of R is equal to 2F is valid. This is valid for both the concave and convex lens. That radius of curvature is equal to twice of focal length. So D is the right answer. In 46th question, a lens has a power of 4 dioptry. It is. So we know power is equal to 100 by focal length, or if we can say focal length is equal to 100 by power. And in this question 4, so focal length is equal to 100 by 4 is equal to 25 centimeter, or we can write 0.25 meter. And focal length is positive, that means it is a convex lens and focal length is 0.25. So C is the right answer. In 47th question, an object is placed in front of a concave lens. For all the position of the object, the image formed is always It is always a virtual, diminished and erect image. In 48th question, the twinkling of a star is due to. The twinkling of a star is basically due to the atmospheric reflection. That's why we saw the star is twinkling and planets are not twinkling, because of atmospheric refraction and the size of the uh, size difference between planets and star. So twinkling is because of atmospheric refraction. Now section C. Section C consists 3 case study solution. There are total 12 questions in this section. Attempt any 10 question from this section. The first attempted 10 question would be evaluated. One day, Kamal saw that her mother was roasting peanuts in a pan in the kitchen, and she had taken ordinary salt to roast the peanut. She was surprised to observe that in spite of very high temperature, the salt does not melt and the peanuts also get roasted. So the chemical name of the common salt is NaCl, sodium chloride. So D is the right answer. In the 50 question, common salt is covalent bond? No, because this is Na plus Cl minus ionic bond. An ionic bond formed by sharing of electron? No, sharing of electron is basically a covalent bond. An ionic compound formed by transfer of electron? Yes, ionic compounds are formed by transfer of electrons. So C is the right answer. Common salt is not a raw material for plaster of Paris, because in every in bleaching soda powder, baking soda and caustic soda, we use the common salt as the raw material, but for plaster of Paris we will not use. Common salt is used as a raw material in the preparation of washing soda, in which the number of molecules of water of crystallization is. So caustic soda Na2CO3 and 10H2. So the water molecules are 10. So A is the right answer. In second case study is related to bio. So I will write the direct answers. 53, 54, 55 and 56. B, A, C and A. In 57th question, on a sunny day, Krish looked at the sky through a water fountain and was surprised to see a rainbow in the sky. The location of the sun when Krish observed a rainbow. Rainbow is formed behind him, because he's seeing the rainbow. Rainbow is formed behind him. So A is the right answer. The phenomena of light involved in the formation of rainbow is. Phenomena involved are refraction, dispersion, then internal reflection. These are the phenomena used in the formation of rainbow. So B is the right answer. In the formation of rainbow, the role of water droplet present in the water fountain is as. This water droplet is act as a prism. So D is the right answer. While entering a water droplet to the sunlight gate, what happened? First, it is refracted and then dispersed. Refracted and then dispersed. So C is the right answer. So that's it. Thank you.